In automotive industry, testing of equipment according to standards such as ISO 7637-2 and ISO 16750-2 is mandatory. Thus, simulation of these tests become essential as they may often reveal issues which may appear during electromagnetic compatibility testing at later design stages. In PSpice, now you can simulate these tests as defined in standards using new transient sources. To access them, open Component Explorer and navigate to PSpice Sources, Automotive Sources to place them in the schematic. These sources are modeled to generate waveforms as per ISO standards for 12 volt and 24 volt systems. Here is an example of ISO 7637-2 Pulse 1 source and its waveform. Here is one more example of ISO 16750-2 source of starting profile and its waveform. Now, let us simulate a reverse battery protection test circuit using ISO 7637-2 Pulse 1 source connected as battery input which suffer from sudden transient. All other peripherals are connected at the output and reverse battery protection is provided by a transient voltage suppressor diode at the input. On simulation, we see that during the transient, the input voltage drops to negative 80 volts, the output voltage swings to negative and a reverse current flows towards the battery. Using correct alternative of TVS diode and running simulation, the output voltage drops to 0 volts safely and reverse current is suppressed to flow into the battery. Now with PSpice, test your automotive circuits with new transient sources of different ratings defined as per ISO standards on the go.